Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Secret Indian Mama, and also welcome back to Ramadan series 2020. So as a part of this series, I tried the basic Ramadan decorations at home with the very less amount of supplies which I already had. As we are in lockdown, it's really hard to get the supplies. So yeah, if you are a beginner, then you can try out this simple Ramadan decoration for your home. Now let's get into the video. Here I decided to make two types of bunting banners. One was popsicle star banner and the other one was a normal Ramadan banner. So here you can prepare your banners with any shape you like, or with any colors you like. Here I have taken masjid shape, that is mosque shape, and I have taken different cutouts with me. I painted them because I did not have color papers with me. I took a white chart and then I took the cutouts and then I painted them up. So I have selected red and yellow color here, and using ribbon I just used glue gun to glue it. Then next I prepared a popsicle stars. This was a bit tricky for me. You can glue the popsicle sticks in the shape of a star, like how I have done in this video, and you can paint them with any colors. I decided to give them yellow and green color so that it will give a vibrant and traditional look for the decor. Designing something for decoration purpose is really easy when compared to sticking those decorations on wall, because we have to make sure that our walls does not get damaged. So for that purpose I have used these kind of stickers. This is from the brand Command. Here you get this kind of tape kind of stickers. You just have to pull off the sticker and then stick it on wall, and here they give you some mini hooks which will which will hold very less amount of weight. And using this you can tie your ribbons or LED lights or something for the decoration purpose. This is a really helpful one, and it is also very easy to remove. You just have to use your finger to remove the hook. It's really easy and it does not damage your wall too. So this is how I have used these kind of hooks to set up the bunting banners. The best part about these hooks is that it is really transparent, and when you use it on your wall, it will not even it will not even be seen. People will not know that you have used something to stick those bunting banners or to try those bunting banners. So I personally feel this is a must try, and this is how I decorated my wall and also my center table. You can keep any decor items on the center table. It's all up to you. I have kept whatever I made or whatever I had, but again it's up to you. You can use any Islamic or any Ramadan decoration items on the table.